Good morning, dear students. I welcome all of you in this session of coordinate geometry. Today we are going to study about basic concepts of coordinate geometry and exercise 3.1. Topics covered in this session is the Cartesian system and plotting a point in a Cartesian plane. Let's start first from the introduction part. Okay. Introduction. Coordinate geometry was first introduced by a French philosopher and mathematician René Descartes, and by his name the subject is also called Cartesian geometry. As a result, a new branch of mathematics called coordinate geometry came into existence. In coordinate geometry, we represent a point xy. In coordinate geometry, we represent a point xy in a plane by an ordered pair of real numbers called coordinates of the point and a straight line or a curve and algebraic equation or expression. Okay, let's start. First of all, I am teaching you what is a Cartesian plane. Okay, first of all, I am teaching you what is a Cartesian plane. To understand this, consider two axes. Horizontal and the vertical axis. Horizontal axis is called x-axis and the vertical axis is called y-axis. Point of intersection is called the origin. The point of intersection is called the origin. And the coordinates of origins are 0, 0. When these two axes are intersect in this way, it divides the plane into 4 equal parts, and these parts are called quadrant. This is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. Okay. On the left side of origin, the values of x are positive, and the left side of origin, the values of x are negative. Values of y above the origins are positive and the values of y below the origin are negative, and it is denoted by y dash, y, x and x dash. Okay, this is the basic things about the Cartesian system. In the first quadrant, x is positive and y is also positive. In the second quadrant, x is negative and y is positive. In the third quadrant, x is negative, y is also negative. In the fourth quadrant, x is positive and y is negative. And the combined value of x and y is known as coordinate. Next, come to the second topic, plotting of a given point in a plane or Cartesian coordinates of a point. First of all, we need a reference for that. Reference means reference of x-axis and reference of y-axis. Point P is a straight arm at the point P is situated at x unit distance horizontally from the y-axis. And the distance and the x-axis, then the ordered pair of xy is called the Cartesian coordinate of y. Here we count for the x and here we count for the y. The combined value of x and y is known as coordinate. Here x is called a coordinate or abscissor, y is called a y coordinate or ordinate. Location is called the coordinate xy. Location means address of point, where the point lies. Location means address of point, where the point lies. Coordinate combined value of x and y in point always taken x as first and y as second. Okay, let's go to the exercise 3.1. First of all, you do introduction in your copy, then you write about the basic concepts of Cartesian system and a point, how we plot a point on the graph paper. Now I am going to explain you exercise 3.1. Okay, let's come to the exercise 3.1. Okay. Now The first question is, how will you describe the position of a table lamp on your study table to another person? I am making this 3D figure for you for your explanation. Okay. First of all, consider the table. I am making this table. This is a two-dimensional because it has length and breadth. I am taking first axis is x-axis and second is y. It depends on our choice. Okay. Consider the lamp as a table as a point. I consider a lamp as a table as a point, and a plane or table as a plane. Table lamp as a point and table as a plane. Choose any two perpendicular edges of the table, because this is I am also working on a table. These are the two edges. These are perpendiculars to each other. One is taken as x-axis and second is taken on as y-axis. Measure the distance of lamp from the longer edge. Measure the distance of lamp from the longer edge and measure the distance of lamp from the shorter edge where they intersect each other. That is the point. This is the reference of a lamp. It means coordinate. Again, we can write the position of a lamp. For example, from here the distance is 25 centimeter and from here the distance is 30 centimeter. We can write the position of a lamp as 25, 30 or 30, 25 depending on the order of axis we fix. First of all, we write the x coordinate, then we write the y coordinate. Here I am fixing axis here and y axis here. Second times I am fixing y-axis here and x-axis here. That's why the points interchange. Okay. I hope you are able to understand the first question, and I am writing for you. Just as I am writing, you write into your notebooks. Okay, with the help of figure. Now come to the second question. Second question is street plan. Second question is street plan. Question is so lengthy. You go to the NCERT and first read the question. Then with the help of my figure, I am explaining to you. Okay. Here is a model of a street plane. First of all, we always know when we locate a direction in a copy is always located with north, south and east, west. North in the upward direction, south in the downward direction, east in the our right of our hand and west to our left of our hand. First of all, I am writing the roads directions west, east, south and north. These are the main two roads which intersect each other, and 5 streets parallel to east-west roads. Street number 1, street number 2, street number 3, street number 4, street number 5. 5 streets parallel to north-south road. Street number 1, street number 2, street number 3, street number 4, street number 5. I am making on this graph because it is very easy for us to locate a point on that. Okay. Both these roads are close to each other. Okay. The first intersection is point 25. I am counting 2 here and 5 here. The point is 2, 5. Second point 3, 4. I am counting 3 here and 4 from here. Third point is 4, 3. I am counting 4 from here and 3 from here. The point of intersection is the location. I hope you are able to understand the second question. It's your work. It's your today's work. Do 3.1 exercise with the help of figures in your fair copy. Thanks. Have a nice day.